Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Garmin Venu SQ. First, ensure your device is fully charged, which typically takes about 2 hours for a complete power-up. Next, download the free Garmin Connect app from your phone's app store. This essential application is your central hub for all device management and data tracking. Once installed, open the app and create a new account or log in with your existing Garmin credentials to proceed with the setup. Now, let's pair your Venu SQ. First, activate Bluetooth on your smartphone and make sure your watch is turned on and within a few feet of your phone. Open the Garmin Connect app and navigate to the Devices section, then choose Add Device. The app will begin searching for your watch. Once your Venu SQ appears, select it and confirm the pairing code displayed on both your watch and phone to establish the connection. With your Venu SQ connected, it will automatically begin syncing your activity data, including steps, heart rate, and sleep patterns, to the Garmin Connect app. You can also personalize your watch by choosing from hundreds of watch faces, adding useful widgets, and arranging data fields to suit your preferences. Furthermore, you'll receive smart notifications for incoming calls, text messages, and various app alerts directly on your wrist, keeping you informed throughout your day. To ensure a stable connection, always keep your smartphone and Venu SQ within a Bluetooth range of approximately 10 meters, or about 33 feet. It's also crucial to regularly update both the Garmin Connect app and your watch's software to benefit from the latest features and performance enhancements. If you encounter any connection issues, a simple restart of both your phone and your Venu SQ often resolves most common problems, restoring seamless communication between your devices.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.